Welcome to another episode of eThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. The city has announced that Phase 1 of Umkomazi Dam is nearing completion. The dam will resolve the water supply problem affecting Umlazi, Umgababa and Umbumbulu, among others. The eThekwini municipality has officially unveiled 2 state-of-the-art centers of excellence in Molweni and Gwaqimba, providing communities with access to critical skills development programs, digital resources, and economic opportunities. eThekwini municipality is ready to welcome 21,600 athletes participating in the 99th Comrades Marathon, along with an anticipated 65,000 spectators from across South Africa and around the world. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.